Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to all of you in computer class. Students, we are on chapter 11, that is Spreadsheet Tools OpenOffice Calc 2. And in previous class, we learned about formatting data and formatting text. Okay, so today we will learn more about in this chapter, and our today's topic is chart. So in this video, we learn about what is chart, components of chart, and different types of chart only description. Okay, so here first we have to know about what is chart. Okay, so student, in spreadsheet software we do all work in a worksheet, and when we have to represent that worksheet content in a pictorial representation or in graphical representation, so that is called, or that is done by chart. Okay, so what is chart? A chart is the graphical representation of any worksheet. Okay, if there is large quantity, okay, and large number of the data series, then we make chart to understand that content proper way. Okay, because if there is a large number of data series or large quantity, then we haven't understand about with the help of worksheet. So there is the need of the chart, because in chart or with the help of chart we display our worksheet content in a pictorial representation. And you all know, if there is any graphical format or pictorial representation, then you understand all the mathematical terms or the worksheet content very easily, because you all know ki image or any diagrams with different features of the formatting of the data, you all understand the proper way in comparison of the worksheet, the content given in the worksheet. Okay, so here any data which is represented graphically, that is called your chart, or we say diagram or graph that organize and represent a set of numerical or qualitative data. Okay, so I think you all understand about what is chart. So here there is another term about the chart. Chart are the graphical representation of the data. Okay, chart help us make instant decision based on the comparison of the number. अगर उसी कंटेंट को अगर हम चार्ट जो आपने वर्कशीट में इतनी लार्ज क्वांटिटी या लार्ज डाटा सीरीज से आपने शो की है, ठीक है, तो that is very complex to understand. If we show that content or that worksheet detail with the help of chart, that it can be easily understood by all. They help us analyze and evaluate the worksheet commensally, okay? As compared to the simple presentation, charts are more attractive and appealing. Now, here is some advantage of chart. Why we use chart? Why there is the need of chart? Chart can display a lot of information in easy to understand format. Okay, data and information can be present in an attractive manner, and a chart is more impressive and information as compare a simple data statement. Okay, so these are the advantages. So we use chart for large number of data series, or we say large quantity given in the worksheet. Now, common types of chart. Students, here different types of chart we use or we learn in this chapter, but here some common types of chart that is generally used by any school organization, business purpose, or any account office. Okay, so here pie chart, bar chart, column chart, area chart, line chart, and beside this there is the donut chart, scatter chart, XY chart, okay, column and line chart. We all understand in this chapter. Okay, so these are the only common charts. Which chart to use when? Okay, when we have to use because you all learned about here the name of the different types of chart. To which chart, according to the data given in a worksheet, we use different types of chart. Okay. Now, components of chart. Here is ligand, data label, chart title, x-axis title, y-axis title. We understand this component of chart with the help of this diagram. Okay. So, in this diagram, you all see here data label, okay, chart title, this is your grid line, okay, data series, x-axis, y-axis, and here plotted area, grid line and chart area. Okay. So here student, what is chart title, data labels, y-axis? You some familiar about these types of chart already in mathematics. Okay. So here we learn something more about different types of chart. Okay. So in the components of chart, data labels, chart title, grid line, y-axis, x-axis, data series and chart area and plotted area. Okay. Now here first is ligands. The ligands is an object that explain the symbol, colors or pattern used to differentiate the data. Student, you all see in news, also newspaper, share market chart, ठीक है, chart display in cricket match also. So there, what is ligand? The term that display the data. ऐसे छोटे छोटे आइकन या पिक्चर्स जिससे हम उस डाटा को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड योर ligand. ओके. सो हियर we write the ligand at the right or left side, okay, in our graph or chart. okay. मतलब जिससे हम उस कंटेंट को डिस्प्ले कर रहे हैं कि इस पिक्चर का मतलब हमारा ये कंटेंट है, इस कलर का मतलब हमारा ये कंटेंट हुआ. ठीक है. तो हम उस कंटेंट को या तो किसी कलर से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, किसी पिक्चर से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं या किसी अदर सिंबल से. ठीक है. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड योर लिगेंड्स. डाटा लेबल्स, एज यू ऑल नो, डाटा लेबल, लेबल करना मतलब टू गिव the name. okay. So here what is data label? Data label is a single value or text explanation used to explain the data in a series. ठीक है. किसी भी डाटा, क्योंकि उसके नेम से ही लग रहा है, लेबलिंग करना मतलब क्या होता है? टू गिव the name, that content. okay. It is a piece of data from the data series. ठीक है. यहाँ आप देख रहे हैं in this graph, here this is your data label. इस डाटा की लेबलिंग की गई है. ठीक है. To give some name. Chart title. So student, if we haven't give the chart title, then no one know about which types of chart is this. ठीक है. जैसे आप कोई पाई चार्ट बना रहे हैं, बार चार्ट बना रहे हैं, कॉलम चार्ट बना रहे हैं, if we give the title कि या आपका गेम से रिलेटेड कोई चार्ट है या किसी मार्केटिंग से रिलेटेड चार्ट है, तो हमें क्या देना होगा? देयर इज द चार्ट टाइटल, और जिसको हम कह सकते हैं हेडिंग. ठीक है. सो अगर जिसको उसके बारे में अगर पता भी ना हो, लेकिन वो हेडिंग से समझ सकता है कि दिस चार्ट शो दिस टाइप्स ऑफ डाटा. ठीक है. कि किस तरह का डाटा वो कंटेन कर रहा है, उस चार्ट से, चार्ट के टाइटल से उसको थोड़ा आइडिया हो जाएगा. ठीक है. इन दिस ग्राफ हियर यू सी दिस इज योर चार्ट टाइटल. यहाँ जो आपका शो कर रहा है. ठीक है. दिस इज योर चार्ट टाइटल. Now axis, as you made graph in mathematics subject, there you display now axis, x-axis and y-axis. okay. X-axis that is horizontally aligned and y-axis that is vertically aligned. Here we see the y-axis title describe the y-axis which is the vertical data, जो आपका vertical data को represent करता है. okay. And x-axis title describe the x-axis which is the horizontal. ठीक है. In a graph there is y-axis and this way is called your x-axis. okay. In this graph we see clear this is your y-axis given and here that is your x-axis. Now here in this picture clear about the x-axis, y-axis and this is your x-axis. Okay, the x-axis is the bottom horizontal sides of the graph. It contain the category information. Okay, जो हम किसी भी कैटेगरी के इंफॉर्मेशन को कंटेन करता है. एंड इन वाई एक्सिस दे आर गिवन द वैल्यू. ठीक है, जो आपका वर्टिकल टर्म होता है बेसिकली हम उसमें क्या रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, वैल्यू. द वाई एक्सिस इज द लेफ्ट vertical side of the graph. It contain the numerical data. Okay, in this here y axis that numerical data. So student, here we have learned about all the components of the चार्ट. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमने देखा कि चार्ट के जो अलग अलग कंपोनेंट है. एंड हियर द सम वन डाटा लेबल्स, चार्ट टाइटल. ओके, ग्रिड लाइन दैट मीन्स यू ऑल सी इन दिस ग्राफ. ये जो आपका ग्रिड लाइन है टू रिप्रेजेंट द डाटा प्रॉपर वे. ठीक है, जो अगर हम ग्रिड लाइन कर लेते हैं ग्राफ में आप बेसिकली देखते भी होंगे ग्रिड लाइन उसमें बनी होती है. ठीक है, टू रिप्रेजेंट आवर डाटा प्रॉपर वे. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड योर ग्रिड लाइन. इसका हम यूज कर भी सकते हैं और नहीं भी यूज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, प्लॉट एरिया दैट इज योर द एरिया वेयर वी हैव टू प्लॉट द ग्राफ. चार्ट एरिया दैट इज दिस इज योर चार्ट एरिया. ओके, now x-axis you all have to clear, data series you have to all the clear. Data series that show जहाँ आपको डाटा जिसके भी कंपेरिजन में वो डिटेल है जो आपको शो करना है दैट इज कॉल्ड योर डाटा सीरीज. ओके, एंड एक्स वाई एक्सिस यू ऑल हैव टू क्लियर. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट आवर today's class. Okay, you watch the video thoroughly and read the topic from your book to clear all the term proper way. If there is any problem then ask me in tomorrow class.